Hi, I'm Professor Hinton. I'm going to guide you today to install a Node package manager which will contain the Expo-CLI. We're doing this because that will allow us to create projects using the Expo-CLI for React Native. Well, what is the Expo-CLI? Expo-CLI is a tool set that allows you to easily create projects for React Native using Node.js and JavaScript. If you do not go this route, the other route is more of an advanced route, and that's called the React Native CLI. The React Native CLI does pretty much the same thing, but it requires a lot more dependencies, etc. So the best place to start is using Expo, which we should all be familiar with from previous videos. All right, let's get into it. Open a command window. If you haven't already, you can do this by typing CMD. After you press the Windows Start button, type in CMD and press Enter, and your command window will come up, this command prompt here. The directory that you're in at this point does not matter for what we're going to do. Let's first verify our Node.js is working. So we're going to do Node.js space -v as in version. Press Enter. That's working fine. We also want to verify that our Node package manager, similar to pip on Python, but this is for JavaScript, is working. So we're going to do Node package manager npm-v, and that's working also. All right, now that we have Node.js working and Node Package Manager has been verified working also, we can proceed and install the Expo. So we're going to use the Node Package Manager to install it, npm, and use install. You notice it's kind of similar to Python's pip, but again, this is for Node.js, Node Package Manager. So it's the JavaScript version. -g, which means global. So install it so we can use it anywhere in this computer in any directory. What we're installing is the expo.cli. So again, the Expo we've used before. We've used the GUI, the Expo, to run a React Native project in a simulation. And the CLI is the command line interface. Installing this so we can use this locally. Press Enter. Okay. Now sometimes you'll notice things have stopped spinning. This right here. This is not in the directions, but from experience, if you press Enter again, things will start up again. I think that's just a bug in their install, but if you know to press Enter one more time when it stops, it will install fine. You can ignore the warnings for the depreciated items. Depreciated means yes, they'll still work, and I'm sure they'll be updating those soon. We are installing the latest anyway that is available. Now this is installing everything that React Native needs, so it is kind of a lengthy install compared to installing Node.js. I think went faster, and installing the package manager was with Node.js, and that went very quick. This is probably the longest setup configuration that we've done yet. Hang in there, it will pay off, and it may take you longer if your computer is not as quick as this one. Of course, if your computer is faster, it will go faster. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Still working on it. I may even speed up parts of this video. The install here where we're not doing anything particular. All right, again, these are warnings. Warnings okay. That's fine. There's no errors. It added 1,873 packages from 829 contributors in 136 seconds. So thank you for your patience. I will see you in the next video where we'll create a project in React Native locally by using Expo.